Hi everyone, welcome to channel Qtomation. In today's session we will see about keyboard actions which we can do via Playwright. So in last session we have seen different type of mouse actions, how to right click, how to double click and so on. Today we will see how we can do keyboard actions, like suppose you want to press some keyboard key. If you want to copy some text by using Control plus C, or let's say you want to select the text by using Control plus A. So these are some different type of keyboard actions which sometimes you might have to do via automation script. So in Playwright you can simulate keyboard actions using page.keyboard. This allows you to press keys, type text and perform any type of key combinations. So if you go to their official documentation, they have provided all type of keyboard related actions. So keyboard provides API for managing a virtual keyboard. So normally the high level API is keyboard.type, by which we can generate proper type of keyboard actions as well. So let me show you one practical example. So what I want to do is, I want to open this website. This is online notepad. After opening this website, I want to type something. So let's say I am just typing welcome by using keyboard. After typing this keyboard welcome text, I want to select this entire text by using keyboard. By keyboard, how we can select normally? We have to select by using Control plus A key. So when you press Control and A together, it will select this text. After selecting this text, I want to copy this text. So we will copy by using Control C. So I have copied by using Control C. Once you copy the text, next step is I want to paste that text in new line. The line below, I want to paste the text which I have copied just now. But if I directly press enter, then what will happen? Now it is in selected state and copied. But if I press enter, it vanishes. So I'm just using Ctrl Z. So we don't have to press direct enter. Once you select it, then you copy it. But after that, it is a selected state. So I will press right arrow key of keyboard. So what I will do, I will just press right arrow key of our keyboard. So highlighted text will be gone. So basically it will not select the highlighted text. Now I can press enter key. So now I am just pressing enter key to go to new line. And after going to new line, now I can press Ctrl and V to paste the above text. So these are the steps which I want to do via automation script. So these are some steps which I want to do via automation test script, in which all type of different keyboard actions are involved. So what are the steps we want to do now? So these are the steps. So what is our use case is, we want to first open this website. After opening this website, I want to type welcome to my channel. After typing this, I want to simply select the text. Whatever I have written, I want to select the text by using Control and A key. Control key and A key we have to press. Then I want to copy the text by using Control plus C. After copying the text, I want to press right arrow. Then we will press enter key so that it will go to next line. And then I have to paste the copied text by using Ctrl V. So these are the steps which we will perform via test automation by using keyboard. So let's go to Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, I am going to create a new file. I am naming it as keyboard actions demo.spec.js. So we have created our test file. In this file, I will just copy some code of our previous sessions. I am just copying the code. I am just pasting the code here. So this is our test block. I will just put name of the test case as keyboard actions demo, and we have imported test and expect from required playwright-test module. Then we have created a test block. Then we have a sync keyword, anonymous function which page fixture we are passing, and then we want to open the website. Which website we want to open? So first I want to open this website. This is our step 1. So I will just open this website. So we are using it in await page.go.to. It will launch and open that website. After opening this website, if you see, once this website gets opened, initially it will be like this. So I have to click on this editor area. So first I want to click on this editor area. So first let's find out XPath or any kind of a locator for this editor area. So if you see, when I highlight this area in which we can edit the text, this is the element, this is the HTML code. So it is present inside div tag, and we have one class. So I am just copying the class name. So let's copy the class and let's try to write XPath div tag @class equals to this one. So if you see, now it is highlighting our editor area. So this locator we can use to capture editor area. And once you capture this, let's say await page.go.to, in which we have to pass this locator. Let me put double quotes. So this will capture the locator area. And I will just simply click on it, or let's say I will simply fill. I can use fill method, and I will pass some mistake. So basically page dot locator, we are capturing the locator now, page dot locator, and on that locator I just want to click on that so that our cursor will move to editor area. Now after moving to the editor area, what is the next step? I want to type this text. I want to type welcome to my channel on that editor area. So to type it, we have to use await page.keyboard. So whatever keyboard actions we want to use, we have to use page.keyboard. And in this, after that, we have to use page.keyboard.type. So it will type the text which we are passing here. So this text will be typed by this command. So this text will be getting typed on the notepad. So it will type that specific text in notepad. Let's say it will type here, welcome to my channel. So we have reached up to this point. Now after typing this, what is the next step I want to do? I want to select this entire text. By using keyboard, I want to select this. So how do we normally select all text? By using Ctrl+A command. So if you are using Windows system, we can use page.keyboard.press because we are using combination of two keys. So we can pass this one. So page.keyboard.press Ctrl+A. So Control, if you are using Windows, then we have to use Ctrl+A, and if you are using Mac system, then we can use, instead of Control, we have to use Meta+A. So that is the command which we are going to use. So I am currently using Windows. So I will simply use Control plus A. That will select my all text. So what is the next step now? I want to select the text. So await page dot keyboard dot press key. So we can use page dot keyboard dot press, in which we have to pass the combination. What is the combination? Control plus A. So it will press Control key and then it will also press A key. So it will select the text. It will select all the text which is present by using Control plus A. Now after pressing Control plus A, next step is we have to copy. So whatever we have selected, we want to copy it. So for that we have to use await page.keyboard press Control plus C. For copy we have to use Control plus C. And after you perform, so it will copy the text. So for example, it will copy the text like this. And after copying the text, we are in this state. Now what is the next step? I want to press right arrow. Then only the focus will be removed. So I want to press right arrow key of our keyboard. I want to press right arrow key of the keyboard. So for that what we can do, we have to simply use await page dot keyboard dot press, and in this we have to pass arrow right. So this is the key. So this is present in their official documentation as well. So if I want to press right arrow key, then we can use arrow right. If you want to use up down, then we can use arrow down, arrow right for right, or arrow left for a left key. But I want to press arrow right. So I will just copy this arrow right key and it will press that specific key. So it will press right arrow key of our keyboard. After pressing right arrow key, now I want to press enter key. What is the next command? Await page dot keyboard dot press, in which I want to press enter key. So I'm just passing the name of that key, enter. So it will press enter. So if you see, after pressing right arrow, it will press enter. Now we are in new line. After pressing enter, next step is we have to paste the text. So for paste, we have to use Control and V. Control V is used to paste. So what is that? So it will await page dot keyboard dot press. Which key combination we have to press? Control plus V. Control plus V, it will use to paste the text. It will paste the text which we have copied earlier. So this is the command sequence which we have to follow. So when you execute this, what it will do, it will open this website. It will look out for this locator, that is the editable area. It will click on that editable area. After that we have used keyboard.type. So this text which we are passing here, it will be typed on that editor area. Then we are using Control A. Control A will select the text. Then we are pressing Control C. We'll copy the text. Then we are pressing right arrow key. Then we are pressing enter key. And then we are pasting by using Control plus V. So the text which we have copied, it will be pasted in the line below that. So that these are the commands which will be followed. So I am just saving this file and let's execute this file to check whether our script works correctly or not. So let's execute this file. So let's execute. What is the command? Npx playwright test. What is the file name? Keyboard underscore actions underscore demo dot spec dot js hyphen hyphen headed, so that it will be executed in UI mode, and hyphen hyphen project equals to chromium. So it will launch the test case now. So I am just launching this test case. It should open the web page, which is online notepad.io. Okay, let me see. There is some mistake. What is the file name? Keyboard actions demo.spec.js. So what is the npx playwright test keyboard underscore actions underscore demo.spec.js. So let me just execute one more time. So let me execute this file one more time. Okay, there is small spelling mistake. So playwright in command we have to execute npx playwright test keyboard actions demo spec.js. So now let's execute it. This time it should execute the test case. It will launch the browser. It is starting the test case now. It will launch the web page. It will open that text, and if you see, it is typing. It happens so fast actually. So what I will do, I will just add some timeout. Let's say await page dot wait for timeout. I will wait for 5 seconds before closing our browser. So now let's execute one more time. So it should open the URL. It will capture the editable area. It will click on that. Then it will type welcome to my channel. Then it will press Ctrl A to copy the text. Then it will press Ctrl C. Then it will press arrow right key. Then it will press enter key, and then it will Ctrl V, paste the text. So if you see now execution, it is opening the URL, it is typing, then it has pressed enter, copy, and then pasted as well. So this is how our script is working perfectly fine. So this is how, if you want to press combination of keys, we can simply use like this, Ctrl plus A. And now what I will do, when we are pressing enter here, it is a single key press. So we can also use like this. So let me just show you what we have seen so far. So to type the text, we can use page.keyboard.type, whatever text which we want to print or which we want to type. If you want to press a single key, for example, enter press, we can simply use page.keyboard.press enter. We can also use holding and releasing a key. So if you want to press shift and A, then we can use like this as well, page.keyboard.down. It will press the shift key, then it will type the A in uppercase, and once you make down, then you have to press up as well. So once you press down on any key, then we have to also press up key as well. For example, in our example, now what I will do, here I will use, instead of press, I will simply use await page.keyboard.down. So it will press the enter key, and once you perform down action, then also we have to perform up action as well. It will perform up action on enter key. So down and up. So now if you execute this file, again it will execute in the same way. So now if you execute this file one more time, let it get executed, then we will understand in better way. So it will launch the browser. This time we have used keyboard.down and keyboard.up, in which we are passing enter key. So it will perform down action first on enter, and it will release the key by up action. But again our result will be same. If you see, it is performing the same actions. So that is also we can do. So what we have seen so far is, to hold and release a key, we can use down and up combination. Apart from that, if you want to simulate some shortcut keys, which we have seen just now, we can use Control A, Control C, Control V. If you are using Windows, then Control A. If you are using Mac operating system, then we can use Meta plus A, Meta key plus A. Sending raw key code. For example, if you want to press down key, then arrow down. If you want to press escape, tab, backspace, delete. So all the different type of keyboard keys which we can type by using keyboard.press command. So what is the command? Await page.keyboard.press, and in which we want to pass the key combination. And we have also seen one simple example. So this is all about keyboard actions. In next session, we will see about some more interesting topics. So thank you everyone.